Come on, you have a Tesla with hands-free driving, but you have to close your hood by hand? Your trunk opens and closes at the push of a button, but you have to press down on your hood like it's a Toyota? Actually, some owners won't use the frunk because they might bend it. Next time, just tell them it's a Tesla. Just drop the lid and it'll take care of itself. Click the link to order the suction link. After you order, you'll get this in the mail. See what's inside. Just this device. A nut. Some instructions in Chinese, but I'm not Chinese. That's it. No instruction manual. That's why you're watching this video. Get a 10mm socket and take out all the screws. Let's remove the front. My wires look a little bit different because I installed an LED strip for my frunk. It's really easy, so I didn't make a video for it. That's why I had to detach the wiring. But you don't have to if you didn't make any modifications there. Now remove the underhood apron. Just lift it from its clips. Easy. Before you lift up the frunk, you have to detach this clip right here. Now let's remove the HEPA filter with a 10mm socket. And then lift it straight up. By the way, when you want to replace the HEPA filter later on, it's right here. Okay, this is the hood lock mechanism. Stock. Remove it with a 10mm socket. Now it's very important that you follow my steps because it's not obvious what to do. So I made it very simple to follow. In this position, just press up with your thumb to take the spring out of that slot. Then you take the black ring from your new device and position it so the ball is seated properly in the ring. Look at how the black ring is facing, with the metal ball facing you. This black ring goes over the metal nail, but the spring is in the way. But right now, you can easily move the spring out of the way. So you could put the black ring there and then put the spring back to where it was originally. Now use your thumb to put the spring lock back into the original slot. Here it is again in case you missed it. Put the black ring over the nail. And pull on the wire with the metal ball. Then you stick the spring back to where it was. And then use your thumb to put the spring back into the slot. Then you match up the holes, putting the new device under the old one. Now put it back in the original spot. Connect the wiring. If you've been following these videos, you know you have several options for constant on power. But let's go for the obvious choice, the battery. Many Teslas now have the battery covered, and there's a dangerous positive piece sticking out. It's covered by the red cover. Yeah, that whole metal piece is like a dangerous live wire. Gosh, you can't read that, but it's 15 volts. Now you know why they provided the nut. It fits perfectly on the thread to stick in your positive wire for the new device. The black wire goes to ground. Please don't put it on the negative battery. There are many bolts nearby as options. And then you clean it up by tying your wires down properly. Now we're done, so let's test it out. Now watch this. No hands. I love it. This is what Tesla should have made from the beginning. Now it feels like a Tesla. Let me know if this video helped you out. Click on the link and save money with my discount code. And subscribe for more Tesla modification.